So this week I have added in all the information that the client has given me into the 3 sections. I've also created all the artwork for this as they want the game to be released straight away as soon as I'm done with it. So they need art that can be used. I've also put in this new more information which basically will give the user a large amount of text if they choose to click the button, which is going to have an analytic on it to say they've clicked this button on oil and have read more about oil. The production materials also only have social and environmental as 0 because they didn't give me any values. They don't see that as an issue, so I'm just having it as 0, and then I need to start testing it and trying to make sure things balance out and nothing is too skew-if. Also, I need to look into adding the analytics in